Welcome to a look at one of the most delightfully whimsical micro-campers you are ever likely to see. This isn't your grandfather's RV, or even your friend's small teardrop trailer. This is a bicycle caravan, a tiny house built directly onto a tricycle frame, and it's painted in the most eye-catching shade of bubblegum pink with what appears to be a natural, rustic wood grain finish. The immediate impression is one of pure, unadulterated fantasy, a dollhouse on wheels. Yet beneath the novelty lies a genuinely clever piece of engineering. It challenges the conventional idea of nomadic living, proving that adventure doesn't require a large motor, and that sustainable, tiny living can be completely charming. Let's take a closer look at the build. The main body of the camper is clearly constructed from lightweight, probably tongue and groove wood panels, giving it that distinct cabin-like appeal. Notice the clever use of space. The structure sits directly over the rear two wheels of a specialized tricycle chassis, replacing the typical cargo box you might see on a freight bike. The curved roof design isn't just for looks. It would help with aerodynamics, crucial for any human-powered vehicle, and also sheds rain easily. We can see a few crucial elements on the exterior. A full-sized white entry door, which suggests a surprisingly comfortable amount of headroom inside, and two well-placed windows, a larger, rectangular one for light and ventilation, and a smaller, rounder window near the front, possibly serving the sleeping area. The entire unit is remarkably compact, a true marvel of space efficiency. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. How do you pedal this house? The bike itself is a robust, likely electric assist tricycle. The frame is a sturdy white, designed to handle the weight of the caravan. The electric motor, probably situated near the bottom bracket or in the front hub, would provide the necessary torque to get the unit moving and assist the rider on hills. This is not a racer. It's a slow, deliberate method of travel, blending the physical effort of cycling with the self-sufficiency of a micro RV. The weight distribution is key here. Placing the bulk of the weight between the two rear wheels provides stability, especially when stationary, minimizing the risk of tipping. The front wheel, controlled by the handlebars, is a standard bicycle size, which keeps the steering familiar. This setup is all about leisurely travel, biking for the pure joy of the journey, with your tiny home rolling right behind you. The small basket on the handlebars is a perfect touch for carrying essentials like a map, a water bottle, or perhaps some snacks for the ride. While we can't see inside, the compact exterior suggests an ingenious interior layout. Based on other similar designs, the interior is likely a simple, multi-functional space. The door placement and overall height suggest a small sleeping platform would dominate the rear area, capable of fitting a single adult or a cozy couple. The remaining front space, by the door, would be the utility area. Imagine a tiny fold-down table, perhaps a small counter with a single-burner propane stove for cooking, and cleverly hidden storage under the bed or along the walls. The windows would be essential for making the space feel less claustrophobic and for offering cross-breeze ventilation. The pink wooden siding would likely continue inside, creating a bright, warm, and inviting atmosphere. It's a space optimized not for living full-time, but for comfortable camping, a perfect shelter for a weekend getaway or a short bikepacking